Loong is a series of unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, developed by the Chinese defense technology company Chengdu Aircraft Design and Research Institute, CADI. These UAVs are primarily used for reconnaissance, surveillance, and aerial strike missions. These UAVs are capable of long endurance flights, with some variants able to stay airborne for more than 20 hours, allowing for extended surveillance and reconnaissance missions. They have a significant payload capacity, enabling the integration of various sensors, cameras, and weapons systems for different mission requirements. The Loong can carry the following weapons: BA-7 air-to-ground missiles, YZ-212 laser-guided bombs, YZ-102A anti-personnel bombs, 50 kg LS-6 miniature guided bombs, FT-9/50 kg bomb, GB-3 250 kg laser-guided bomb, TL-10 bomb. Loong UAVs are remotely piloted or can operate autonomously with pre-programmed flight paths and mission parameters. Some variants are equipped with satellite communication systems, allowing for long-range control and data transmission beyond line-of-sight ranges.